Hit the road for less San Francisco to Malibu on a shoestring. Road trips are about freedom, exploration, and making memories. They offer a chance to escape the daily grind and experience the world in a unique way. But who says they have to break the bank? With some smart planning and a bit of creativity, you can have an amazing adventure without spending a fortune. Get ready for an epic adventure as we journey from the iconic Golden Gate Bridge to the sun-kissed shores of Malibu, all while sticking to a budget of just $50 a day. Yes, you heard that right, $50 a day. You might be thinking, $50 a day? Impossible. Think again. With a little ingenuity, you can stretch your dollars further than you ever imagined. With a little planning and a spirit of adventure, this dream road trip can become your reality. From finding affordable accommodations to cooking your own meals, there are plenty of ways to save. We'll be cruising down the breathtaking Pacific Coast Highway, soaking in stunning ocean views, and discovering hidden gems along the way. The journey itself is as beautiful as the destinations. From charming coastal towns to awe-inspiring natural wonders, this route has it all. Each stop offers something unique and memorable. Get ready to pack your bags, grab your map or smartphone, and hit the open road for an unforgettable and affordable adventure. The open road is calling, and it's time to answer. Day 1. Golden Gate to Monterey Bay, a coastal dream. Our adventure begins in the vibrant city of San Francisco, where we'll grab a quick and cheap breakfast at one of the many charming cafes. After fueling up, we'll bid a fond farewell to the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, a symbol of the city's rich history and beauty. Today's drive takes us down the legendary Highway 1, also known as the Pacific Coast Highway. This scenic route is famous for its breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean and rugged coastline. Our first stop, Half Moon Bay. This charming coastal town is a perfect place to take a break. Stretch your legs on the beach, watch surfers catch waves, and enjoy the fresh ocean air. The beach here is a haven for both locals and visitors alike. Next, we'll continue down the PCH, stopping at scenic overlooks for breathtaking photo opportunities. These spots offer some of the best views along the coast. Keep an eye out for whales. During certain times of the year, you might be lucky enough to spot these magnificent creatures breaching near the shore. Tonight, we'll camp under the stars at Veterans Memorial Park in Monterey. This park is a hidden gem for budget travelers. This budget-friendly option offers stunning ocean views and puts you within walking distance of charming Monterey. Gas $20. Food $15. Campground $15. Total $50. With such affordable costs, this trip is perfect for those looking to explore without breaking the bank. Day 2. Monterey to Big Sur. Nature's grand show. This journey promises breathtaking views and unforgettable experiences. Wake up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore. The morning sun casts a golden glow over the beach, setting the perfect tone for the day ahead. Today, we'll explore the crown jewel of the California coast, Big Sur. Its rugged coastline and majestic landscapes are a sight to behold. Before leaving Monterey, visit the world-famous Monterey Bay Aquarium. It's a must-see, offering a glimpse into the diverse marine life of the Pacific Ocean. Budget tip: visit during off-peak hours for discounted admission. This way, you can enjoy the exhibits without the crowds and save some money. Continue south on Highway 1, where the landscape transforms into dramatic cliffs, crashing waves, and towering redwoods. Each turn reveals a new, stunning vista. Be sure to stop at Bixby Bridge for a picture-perfect moment. This iconic landmark offers one of the most photographed views along the coast. Tonight, we'll find a secluded spot to pitch our tent in Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park. Gas, $15. Food, $15. Campground, $20. Total $50. Enjoy the serenity of nature with the sound of the forest and the crackling campfire as your companions. Day 3. Big Sur to Malibu. The Pacific Coast Highway awaits. Today, we'll soak in the last bit of Big Sur's magic before continuing our journey towards Malibu. Make a stop at McWay Falls in Julia Pfeiffer Burns State Park. This iconic waterfall cascading onto the beach is a sight you won't soon forget. As we near Malibu, the scenery shifts to glamorous beach towns and surfers riding the waves. Our final destination is Leo Carrillo State Park, where we'll spend the night camping just steps away from the Pacific Ocean. Gas $20, food $15, campground $15, total $50. Section 5. Making it work. Camping, cooking, and free fun. Our $50 a day budget relies on embracing the great outdoors. Camping allows us to experience the beauty of nature while keeping accommodation costs low. Pack a cooler and stock up on groceries before you leave to save money on meals. Sandwiches, salads, and snacks will fuel our adventures. Look for free activities along the way. Hiking trails, beaches, and scenic overlooks offer incredible views and experiences without costing a dime. Section 6. Fueling up without emptying your wallet. Gas prices can fluctuate, so it's important to be mindful of fuel consumption. Before you hit the road, make sure your car is in tip-top shape to maximize fuel efficiency. Consider using a gas app to find the cheapest gas stations along your route. Section 7. Sample budget. 3 days of freedom. Here's a breakdown of our estimated expenses for this incredible road trip. Gas $55 total. Food $45 total. Campgrounds $50 total. Total $150 for 3 days. Remember, this is just a sample budget. Your actual costs may vary depending on your choices and travel style. Section 8. Road Trip Ready. Tips for affordable adventures. Here are a few final tips to make your budget-friendly road trip a success. Travel during the off-season for lower prices on accommodations and activities. Pack light to avoid checked baggage fees. Bring reusable water bottles and fill up at rest stops. Take advantage of free Wi-Fi at cafes and libraries to stay connected. Most importantly, embrace the spirit of adventure. This road trip is about creating memories that will last a lifetime without breaking the bank. So pack your bags, grab your co-pilot, and hit the open road.